Hi everyone, welcome back, and today let's answer another question. So ang question natin for today is, may training po ba kayo? So to answer that question, yes, here at the V Hub, once you're successfully hired, you'll be added immediately to our next batch of virtual assistant trainees. So for the training sessions, we have 4 curricula. So yung 4 na yun is real estate training, marketing training, executive VA training, and insurance training. So each completed curriculum, so kada maipapasa niyo yung training, it will allow you to get a client interview. So of course, we're gonna endorse you to a possible client that would best match your skills. For example, kakatapos mo lang ng real estate training. Of course, we'll match you with clients who are looking for real estate VAs. Para naman yung naaral mo during trainings is talagang magagamit mo with your client. So I hope I was